First I will need to remove this small cover. For this I will actually push the mirror down slightly. Now it will give us enough room to disconnect two connectors like this, and then the small cover will come out. We have two clips that hold in place and two in the back. Now I will pull the big cover down, and here it is, guys. It's been held by these two clips, and this is where they will go. There is one opening for the clip on the right side and one more on the left, right here. Now we'll reinstall the cover. First, guys, make sure that it goes over these openings for the hooks. Press it all the way against the windshield and push up all the way. And then these two clips on the smaller cover will go in first, like this. Then you can snap the upper ones back in place.